and this is a G. Is it? Hi guys, I'm Jules and welcome to my sweet digs. Come on in. I'm Jules. I live with my boyfriend Tim in Toronto, and we pay $2,000 each month for a condo. The housing market here is a little expensive, but we managed to pay that price because my sister owns the place and we're renting from her. Also, the location of our unit is in a neighborhood that's up and coming. I would say my home style is pretty eclectic. I like to mix old with new, affordable with some investment pieces. I am also definitely committed to color, and I would like to think of myself as a plant mom. This is a kitchen. I've painted one of the walls pink. I initially bought the paint and wanted to paint the backsplash pink, but I didn't realize that it was actually just an extension of the counter, so I had to pivot, and that's why one of the walls is pink. I love different kinds of glassware. Some of my favorites are this MoMA milk glass. I love the gradient from blue to green. I have a lot of plants, as you can see. I also have this plant wall, which is called a Just Vertical Garden. It's a hydroponic system that allows you to grow your own food, which is pretty magical. It's definitely a huge privilege to have one of these. I was fortunate enough to be gifted it. The best find in this apartment is definitely this Eames chair. We also found it by the dumpster, and it has a couple of scratches on it, and it smelled pretty bad when we found it, but we put it out in the sun, cleaned it up, and bada bing, bada boom. This is where I spend most of my days. Beyond watching TV here and just relaxing, it also functions as my home office and my exercise room. This is my green couch. It was my first adult purchase and definitely the most expensive thing in this apartment. I think I spent around $1,100, $1,200 on it. And I spend a lot of time here watching Netflix, playing the Nintendo Switch, and working. This is a great find. It's my little laptop desk. These are pretty cool. They're custom mirrored coasters from a company called Glare Goods. They asked what color of acrylic I wanted on the back, and I said, surprise me, and somehow they just knew that my kitchen was this pink, and they got it pretty spot on. These are some of my plants. Some of them are looking a little worse for wear, but we're all getting through it. This is a guitar that I was gifted. It doesn't usually sit here, but I just wanted to show it off because look at this strap. And the yellow color is just very cool. These are some of my film cameras. I am a photographer and I shoot digital mostly, but I do like to experiment with film. I'm a bit of a novice, but I think it's very fun. And this one's very cool, but I haven't tried it yet. It's pretty big and pretty rare. Welcome to the bathroom where the real magic happens. It's a pretty standard condo bathroom. Shower, tub, combo, toilet, sink. Nothing really special other than the fact that we have a tushy. Next stop on the tour is the den, and my boyfriend Tim is going to show you around.
Hello, Refinery29. Come on in. So this is the den of the apartment. We've turned it into a home studio where I can do some audio mixing, video editing, content creation. So this is my record setup. Definitely not as cool as Julia's, but a record setup nonetheless. There's no natural light sources in here, so it's pretty dark. We got a Fender Blues Junior amp. We got a IKEA Vigia lamp. I have an obsession with eyewear, and we just got a Muji in Toronto, and they produce these beautiful, I don't even know if they're meant for glasses, but they work very well as glasses cases. Paper is pretty important. I like to keep love notes that Julia wrote for me. Some pics of me and the missus, you know. So this is a plaqued poster of my band's first big show in Toronto called Hymn Villa. You can look us up on streaming platforms if you want, and if you don't want, that's okay too.
Tim and I met at work. We used to work at a post-production house together, He was an assistant editor and I was the office manager, and we've been together ever since. This is the bedroom. I kept it pretty simple from the rest of the apartment. This is my side of the bed and my nightstand. I got it from a designer out in California called Objects for Objects. And beside my bed at all times is BTS. It's a photo of them because they are my other 7 boyfriends. This is a Craigslist find. We call it the Shrek, just because it's green and funny looking. Hand painted, don't really know where it's from, but I think it's a really interesting piece. Like most condos, this is just an empty white box void of any character, so it's a great opportunity for us to express our personalities onto it, which is why there's so much color and greenery, and it actually feels like a home now. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.